But David won.
Oh, David job. The job can no trail. David.
All of you are wearing the TMC cap.
Oro pia, kong ito pia TMC.
So that's why I'm also wearing a TMC cap.
Pagkaro ka kong ito pia TMC.
Pass on the.
Pasok na.
Then, now don't translate this. Ba Kotor, Ba Donbor, Ba Daros, Ba Remdor, Ba Ben Johnson, all the vice presidents, the general secretaries, and Mr. Lindo, Reverend Lindo, and all of you, Henman and Para. Henman and Para.
Jadi gimana buat para, pada bikin kita baru, jom ke TMC, jom ke Bogor Blok, aku boleh di baru.
First, I want to tell you that I've been here in Meghalaya for the last 1.5 months, but this was the most beautiful music I've listened to in the last 1.5 months.
Awan ini kepada benar teng, buat kini kejaga, kalau kejaga kepada itulah buat ladon ru kinong lai, buat paunam, buat pun sotulat, buat pun po pun peng, buat kalong ru, meeting kepada buat kepada ngam cuma koi berkat bagi dia aku kering lah.
I also want to tell you, this is the worst roads in Meghalaya. From Shillong to Meghalaya, the worst roads made by this government.
Kali ke surok kepada sniewtam, nak di surok pun le dia kepada surok kelale.
What is happening today? What is happening in India?
Raja pun India betul.
Why are the churches being burned?
Ini punya sahaja.
In Assam, in Chhattisgarh,
Apa Assam, apa
in
Chhattisgarh.
Karnataka, in Uttar Pradesh. And why is a political party here in Meghalaya working as an agent, as a puppet of the BJP?
Balai parti yang ni LPP, ki GDP, ki XPP, ki PDF pergi wei, ki iatreilang pergi BJP, kalau wei ni saya buat thang ini yang ni itu di parti ni. Kacang ini balai, why do you work together? Balai kita ni lah.